Welcome, and thank you for purchasing the Langka Paint Chip Repair Kit. This program is designed to show you the basic techniques for repairing paint chips using Langka's revolutionary technology. The Langka process has been used on thousands of vehicles worldwide. In addition to this kit, Langka has a full line of car care products to make your vehicle a show winner. This product is designed for vehicles from 1990 to current models. Do not use this on vehicles manufactured before 1965 that still have the original paint. If you are concerned, test this product by applying blob eliminator to a cloth and rubbing it on an inconspicuous area. If any color appears on the cloth, do not use this product further. Your paint chip repair kit contains the following: blob eliminator, pre-paint, paint sealant, fine tip brush, squeegee card, directions, and this training disc. The blob eliminator works best using the manufacturer's touch-up paint, those little tubes of paint you buy at the auto dealership. It will work with other paints exceedingly fast, so let the paint dry longer if you use non-manufacturer's tubes of paint. This is a typical paint chip. There are 4 steps in this remarkable process. The first step is to prep the area. Apply pre-paint to a cloth and wipe over the area to be repaired. Wipe off the residue with a wet cloth and allow to dry. Shake the touch-up paint and apply. For more accurate applications, use the fine tip brush provided or a micro brush purchased from our website. There are 2 ways to proceed. One method is to let the blob of paint dry for 2 hours to 4 days, depending on temperature and humidity. The ideal temperature is between 65 and 85 degrees. In cooler temperatures, use a hairdryer to shorten the paint drying time. Another method is to squeegee the paint. Rest the edge of the plastic card on the car's surface and lightly wipe the excess and still wet paint off to the side of the chip. Using a cloth wrapped around your finger, wipe the smeared paint off the car without going over the fresh paint in the chip. Let the paint dry again for at least 2 hours. In either case, once the paint has dried, you can begin to remove the blob of excess paint or squeegeed paint. Do not do this in direct sunlight. Tightly wrap a cloth around the plastic card, holding the cloth from the back so that it is tight across the front. Twisting the card will tighten the cloth. Any wrinkles will cause the cloth to dip into the chip and wipe away too much paint. If this happens, you can go back to step 2 and reapply paint. Shake the blob eliminator, then apply a dime-size amount on the flat surface of the wrapped cloth. Rub it into the cloth and begin rubbing the wrapped cloth over the dried touch-up paint. Chemically, the product will begin to penetrate and resoften only the touch-up paint, not the OEM painted surface, and the cloth fibers will whittle down the softening blob. As paint appears on the cloth, start to rub lighter. Do not overdo it, or you will remove the paint within the chip and then it's back to step 2 to repaint and try again. When you're done, wipe off any residue with a microfiber towel or soft, clean cloth. Once again, it's always an option to jump back to step 2. The final step is to seal the repaired area. This is a polymer paint sealant that provides UV protection. Simply shake the bottle, apply to a smooth cotton cloth, and wipe over the area a few times. Let the solution air dry and wipe off any residue. You have now repaired the paint chip. The Langka process is as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. Langka's simple 4-step process is the best way to keep your vehicle looking great. Be sure to go to our website at www.langka.com to view all our car care products.